So out of all the ways to make money, I think personally my favorite is actually forex trading. And just before we start, I just want to say I make money in forex, but I actually don't make my own trades. And I mean, this is just the beauty and power of leverage. So let's get into what exactly forex trading is, how I make money from it, and actually how you can make money from it if you want to make your own trades or if you don't want to make your own trades. So let's get right into this video. So forex is basically the foreign exchange market. So you know when you're traveling to a country, and let's just say you're Canadian and you're going to the States and you go to the bank and you exchange Canadian dollars for US dollars, that is basically foreign exchange. So you're changing currencies with you're exchanging. So forex trading is actually basically that, but at a super micro level. So literally you trade and you make money off currency pairs. So for example, the US dollar and the Japanese yen, or the US or the euros and the German British pound, or Australian dollars and the Japanese yen. So basically you're trading these currencies. So you're either selling because you think the currency pair is going to go down, or you're buying because you think the currency pair is going to go up. So you think one currency is going to outdo the other in either a buy or a sell. So I mean, that is basically what forex trading is for beginners. And again, I understand if this is confusing. It can really be confusing. And one thing I do want to mention is, here is what forex trading can look like. So this is basically what traders look at. This is how they analyze charts. So I mean, yeah, it can be very, very, very confusing. I mean, don't worry. When I first saw that, I was mind blown. I was like, what is this? Like, this looks like something like you would see in like astrophysics or like nuclear, some random stuff, right? So I mean, yeah, don't be afraid. I mean, people that trade forex, like there are people that trade full time. So people make full-time income with this, and they actually sit and they analyze the charts for hours on hours on hours. But one thing I will say is I do not do that. And I mean, I still make money through forex, and this is through the power of leverage. So before we even get into that, you're probably wondering, well, if forex is so good, why don't you make your own trades? Well, okay, great question. Me, I do a bunch of stuff. I do content creation for YouTube, I do Instagram, I do video editing for other people as well as myself, as well as managing a few other businesses, affiliate marketing, and yeah, I also am getting my real estate license, so I am going to be a realtor in a few weeks. But yeah, so I literally do not have the time to sit here and analyze the charts. First of all, I don't even have time to learn about forex trading. Like, this is not something that you just learn how to do within a minute. Like, you literally have to spend hours on hours, weeks on weeks about learning how to trade, which I don't have the time for. If you have the time for it, perfect. Later on, I'm going to tell you how you can actually learn super quick and streamline this. So how do I make money on forex without actually making my own trades? Well, this question is asked, and I mean, the answer is beautiful. So I'll quickly show you. So the picture you're actually seeing right over there, that is actually from my forex signal group. So what is a signal? So basically, I have teamed up with one of my business partners, and we actually own a group chat on Telegram where my partner, he's a trader. So what he does is he actually tells you guys what trades he's doing, and you basically copy his trades. Hold on. Yes, I have said in the past that you should never copy another investor. Investing and trading, those are two different things. So when it comes to trading, I will copy another trader all the time. I do not know how trading works, and especially in forex and stock market, that's two different things. So I mean, copying an investment, copying a stock investment is completely different to copying a forex trade. So that's just to clear that up. So he puts in all the work, he does the live trades, he looks at the charts all the time, and I don't want to deal with that. So he does it for me. He puts it in the group chat, and we copy it and we make money. So the picture you're seeing right now is actually my free group chat, and if you want to join that, go to my Instagram page, click on my link tree, and you'll see it right there, free forex chat. Go check it out. So you're probably wondering, oh, you have a free chat, cool. And guess what? I do also have a paid chat. And I mean, if you're watching this video, DM me and tell me that you're watching this video, and I'll actually let you in into my paid chat for only $10. Right now, it is actually up for $25, but if you're from YouTube, I gotta show my YouTube fans some love. I gotta help you guys out. So $10 for you guys. Just DM me and show me proof that you're from my YouTube. So that's pretty much how you can take signals on forex. But if you want to actually learn forex, if you want to learn this 6-figure skill, 7-figure skill, even if you can scale, if you want to learn how to do this, my other business partners from the First Class Investments Company, they actually have their own course and their own signals group chat, which I am part of as well. So I am in the Signals group. I did not take their course because remember guys, I don't have the time to do this. But if you do, just reach out to me on Instagram again and I'll put you on the right track. I'll get you guys a nice discount on their course. And I mean, from there, you guys can learn a beautiful 6-figure, 7-figure skill. And guys, you can literally retire. Like, you don't have to work your 9 to 5 anymore. You can either take Signals and do it, or you can do it by actually learning. So pretty much that's Forex in a nutshell. And I mean, later on in the video, you're gonna see my promo for another Forex group chat, which you may have seen previously, but I mean, that's also gonna roll in the end because we need that 10-minute mark. No, my YouTube channel is not monetized yet, but hopefully we can get that soon. Other than that, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I mean, that's pretty much for us in a nutshell. Again, I am by no means a Forex expert. I don't make my own trades. I have a Signals group, which I partnered up with. I do the advertising. My partner does the actual trades. He sends them out. And I am also affiliated with First Class Investments, FCI. So I mean, again, those guys are also crushing it. One of the guy, I think he made $10,000 in his first year. And he's had a day where he's made $2,000. So Forex trading can be extremely lucrative, extremely good. I mean, guys, like, I'm using this. I mean, if you're not using this, I don't know what you're doing because it's literally, like, it's awesome. I mean, there's nothing else I can say. So, I mean, if you want to learn again, listen to the pros. I mean, I haven't made any claims that I know Forex. I mean, I can tell you right now, I don't. Like, I know the basics, I know the in and outs, but I mean, in terms of making my own trades, that's not me. But yeah, if you did enjoy this video, leave a like down below and comment down below. Are you doing Forex right now? Are you looking to do Forex? I mean, if you are, you know what to do. Hit me up on Instagram and I'll get you sorted out. But I mean, other than that, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I mean, I'll see you next time. Take care. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and before I let you go, I just want to remind you that I'm actually in Forex and I trade Forex, but I don't make my own analysis because I don't have the time, and you may be in that similar situation. My situation is I really don't have time to be analyzing the charts every single day. I'd rather just have someone else do the hard work and I just take in the profits, which is leveraging someone else's knowledge. And this is something that I've been doing, and this is something I'm going to be sharing with you guys as well. So if you actually go on my Instagram, which is in the description, the link's in the description, you can go on my Instagram and click on my link tree where you'll see a free Forex signal group where we send out signals and you guys copy them and make money. If you're not too sure about what Forex is, you can just send me a message on Instagram and I'm more than happy to help you guys and put you guys on the right path. But there is a free Forex group chat where people make money and it's completely free to join. You can just, again, check my link tree, and there is a paid chat as well. So if you are interested in that, there is a paid chat and the price will probably be somewhere in the chat, or you can message me on Instagram. But yeah, I just wanted to throw this last little hidden gem for you since you stuck along for the whole video. I hope you enjoyed the video, but yeah, until next time, thank you so much for watching.